and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very delicious and tempting snack of Maharashtra, Kothimbir Vadi. These are small bars which have lots of coriander in them and are very tasty to eat. They can be eaten as a snack or as an accompaniment to any meal, and they can also be deep fried or they can be shallow fried. The deep fried variety are more crunchy than the shallow fried one, and we are going to try both of them here. So first let us start with the ingredients. Finely chopped coriander or cilantro leaves 4 cups, sodium bicarbonate 1/4 of a teaspoon, salt by taste, green chilies about 3 or 4 or by taste, oil 2 teaspoons for the batter and more for deep frying or shallow frying, gram flour or besan 2 tablespoons, and this is the chana dal or the split chickpea lentil which I have soaked in water for about 3 hours. First step is to drain away all this water which was used for soaking the chana dal. Although we are going to use more water for grinding it later, I always prefer draining out this water which was used for soaking, and that's because that will avoid giving it a very strong smell. So let us drain out all the water, and now we are going to grind this along with salt and green chilies into a coarse mixture. So I have transferred this chana dal into a grinder jar. Add the green chilies and also salt by taste. Just remember that when grinding, do not make it into a fine paste, keep it slightly coarse. And add water only as much as is needed for grinding. I am adding about half a cup now. You will have to turn it around a couple of times in between and add only minimum water that might be needed. I am using this flat bottom separator and I have prepared it by applying little oil along the bottom. You can use any other pot too that will fit inside a pressure cooker. And now transfer all the chana dal to this greased pot. Now to this add all the gram flour, 2 teaspoons of oil and sodium bicarbonate. And now mix it nicely with your hands and then add all the chopped coriander leaves. Again mix it together. Flatten it lightly. And now we are going to steam it in a pressure cooker for 15 minutes on high flame, and remember not to keep the whistle or the pressure on the pressure cooker. After steaming, remove it from the pressure cooker and allow it to cool completely. Using a knife which has been greased with oil, I am going to cut it into small cubes. First let us release along the edge. And now cut them into cubes about 1.5 inches big. And now flip it over to release all the pieces. Separate them out. Cut them into smaller pieces. You can make them half or maybe 1/3. And now these are ready for either shallow frying or deep frying. For shallow frying, arrange a few pieces on a hot griddle and add little oil around each piece. Allow the lower surface to become browned. When one side is done, flip them to the other side and allow the lower side to be browned as well. And these are now ready to serve. Instead of shallow frying, you can also deep fry all the steamed pieces on a medium flame till they are golden brown in color. Then drain the excess oil and remove them on a paper towel. So our Kothimbir Vadis are now ready. We shallow fried as well as deep fried some of them. Hope you like the recipe. Do try making them at home whichever way you like, and remember to post your questions or comments and also to like and subscribe. Thank you.